Dear global thinkers, welcome to the Gundrace YouTube channel. I'm here with an exciting video for you on an interesting topic like Cold War 2.0 to World War 3.0. I request you all to like, share, comment and subscribe this video if you like it. As the world has been experienced two terrible world wars and subsequent Cold War in the 20th century. Fortunately, such geopolitical tensions were ended with the collapse of the USSR. But the repercussions have not been enough to learn the quantum of global damages. The world has entered into the 21st century with lots of positive hopes, but the spectrum of global geopolitical scenario has been indicating the other way. The world has been on the verge of entering into a Cold War and further inclined towards a World War 3.0. We look into the details of such scenario. The following may be the possible reasons. China's ambitions to counter the US and emerge as a global power. Territorial conflicts in the South China Sea between the majority of ASEAN countries and China. In recent times, the situation has been worsening between the Philippines and China. As a result, the South China Sea has been labeled as the Lake of War. Another significant reason is that the Russia invasion of Ukraine. This war has been simply responsible for the global military division, which means crossed the Cold War stage. Now, the global military polarization has started. Evidently, the NATO has opened supporting Ukraine, whereas Russia has been trying to have better relations with. In recent times, Russia entered into a defense agreement with North Korea. In return, South Korea expressed its readiness to supply arms to Ukraine along with the NATO countries. In fact, China is not ready to wage a war with either the US or with the NATO. Mr. Xi's recent vigorous tour of Europe explicitly indicating his intentions that not to have a rift with the European Union. Certainly, it is a solace to the peacemongers. Putin has strongly opposed the peace proposal from Peace Conference Switzerland. The summit has signed a document stating that any threat or use of nuclear weapons in the context of ongoing war against Ukraine is inadmissible. In response to this declaration, Putin has reiterated his desire of using nuclear weapons on Ukraine. Countries were limited to supply arms to Ukraine and use them within the territory of Ukraine to defend Russia. But recently, Zelensky got the clearance to attack even the Russian territory with the arms of Western countries. On the other flip, Israel war on Palestine has been triggering the possible multinational war in the West Asia. Though relatively very small, but the war-like situation in Taiwan is alarmingly sending signals of China's invasion of Taiwan. Evidently, major global players like the US, China, Russia, and the European Union as a unit have been preparing from the stage of mutual challenges of geopolitical dominations and the trade war. This too comes under Cold War 2.0. But on the other side, supply of arms to attack the other countries, undoubtedly sending signals of direct involvement in the war, specifically with reference to Russia-Ukraine war. This is certainly an indication of military action turned to be a World War 3.0.